Hello friends, in this video we will learn about history of Pakistan. Pakistan is a country located in South Asia, and it gained independence from British colonial rule on August 14, 1947. The history of Pakistan dates back to ancient times, with the region being home to some of the world's earliest civilizations, including the Indus Valley Civilization. In the 7th century, Islam was introduced to the region by Arab conquerors, and by the 10th century, the region had come under the rule of Muslim dynasties, such as the Ghaznavids and the Mughals. The Mughal Empire, which ruled over much of the Indian subcontinent, including present-day Pakistan, for more than 2 centuries, left a lasting impact on the region's culture and architecture. In the 18th century, the British East India Company began to establish its control over the Indian subcontinent, including present-day Pakistan. The region was part of British India until 1947, when it was partitioned into 2 separate countries, India and Pakistan. Pakistan initially comprised 2 regions, West Pakistan, present-day Pakistan, and East Pakistan, present-day Bangladesh. However, political and cultural differences between the 2 regions led to the secession of East Pakistan in 1971, resulting in the creation of Bangladesh. Since its independence, Pakistan has faced a number of challenges, including political instability, economic difficulties, and regional conflicts. The country has also experienced significant periods of military rule, with the military overthrowing elected governments on several occasions. Despite these challenges, Pakistan has made progress in areas such as education, healthcare, and economic development. The country has also played a significant role in regional and global affairs, particularly in relation to its relationship with neighboring India, its participation in the war on terror, and its role in promoting peace and stability in the region. Regenerate response.